gwaleero wano Kibo Kids gubaire graduating abaana ba top class okujja mu P1 mukolo gutambwire bulungi era nkubiriza nti twetanire ino okusitula isomero lya Jumbo Kids.
We want children to develop, even when they are at home, learn good manners with parents or associate with others, so that by the coming next year, we see a more development in them.
On behalf of the Lions Club of Jinja, to thank the administrators of this school for the great service you are rendering to our community through the good management of this school.
ये प्यार बड़ी मुश्किल से, इस प्यार में हमको पागलना, कुछ है बोलना, कुछ तुम बोलो कुछ हम बोले ओ ढोलना, तब तक चुप बैठे अब तो कुछ है बोलना, do this Sukraj do this, लबों पे ये प्यार बड़ी मुश्किल से, इस प्यार में हमको पागलना कर छोड़ना.
Appreciate you parents for choosing to bring their children to this school. Permit me on behalf of the Lions Club of Jinja to thank the administrators of this school for the great service you are rendering to our community through the good management of this school, and for the maintenance of this facility to serve our community. Thank you very much. As Lioness, we thank you for keeping the banner of the Lioness flying high at this facility, and we deeply appreciate your partnership in our effort to serve our Jinja community and the security concerns for this establishment. We as Lions, we are working hard to address these concerns. Currently, we are working on final finishes for the 2 classrooms, if you can see them up there. Parents, I'm sure when you are behind there and you see your children performing, every parent gets excited. Yes, we request you to support these talents because they could be the cornerstone of these students' future beside the academics. For your continued commitment to the transformation of this facility.
Now we can cut the cake. The chief guest can lead us to cut the cake. The sun. My God. What a wonderful function today is.
Wish you happy holidays, and please take care of the children. Keep them morale to do some better things in holidays. We wish you well for the Christmas also. We want children to develop even when they are at home, learn good manners with parents or associate with others, so that by the coming next year we see a more development in them. And we wish all the parents to join hands together to develop this school, bring in more children, bring in more parents, so that we have a more improvement in the education.
Era nkoze n'ebyemizano olunaku lwa leero bandese bano ku Jumbo Kids nga omu ku bagenyi. Omulamu ogw'olwaleero wano ku Jumbo Kids gubaire graduating abaana ba top class okujja mu P1. Mukolo gukutambwire bulungi era nkubiriza nti twetanire ino okusitula isomero lya Jumbo Kids. Jumbo Kids ntuuseewo nga landi nene bulungi ino. Era lande yo bankobe yageebwa ba Lions Club of Jinja n'ababatamu ettaka eryo era n'ababayambye essomero okubaawo. Era bwe ntuusaawo n'abona ebikoleibwa activities ebikoleibwa abaana bembi bulungi but mostly mbwe in the Indian community. I would just want to encourage abasoga banaife abali alwawo ni mwidinda nti Jumbo Kids ti yaba gundi bonka yaba Indians. Ndikusaba Abafrika most abaidinda muleta abaana ku Jumbo Kids. Kubiriza nti ni mu Jumbo Kids kyoyenda kyona kiriyo. Kankubiriza idinda yona tiriko banti ndikwena muleta ku Jumbo Kids monka. Twetanira okumana nti otwala omwana gasobola okuba nti asomera environment nungi kuba ku Jumbo Kids environment nungi ebyosuubwe biriwo play areas diriwo ebyosuubwe biriwo as Jinja tulebe kukola mwiduzo mu masomero gandi ngate agandi gali timaiduvu bulungi. Yakubiriza abazaire ababayiregana nti tuli kujja mu kalulu abaana baife tubakuumi kube abaana abato muli kubalekanga bajja banonereza campaign gediri kujja okuba abaana bali kubulirayo abaana bali kwetaba ku bintu ebitalimendi kuba byabo. Tiri kwogera kuba Jumbo Kids bonka bona mukobene n'abazaire abaziragano nairo omwana wa 18 years oba 7 years tali suppose kujja mu nankani omu aidafuna yobuzibu mukuma abaana tamu 2026 ebaganenga bali bala kuba anything can go wrong. Obutamuko bw'abamu odda kufiirwa omwana abandi muli kuba mu kalulu n'abaana bali kunonereza tujja kuluzinga abaana embiti emitu eja tomorrow. So nkubiriza imukobera abazaire abali gano tuli kujja mu kalulu. Let direction be peaceful. Tirutalo tambule n'abaana era tubakubirize nti bye tujjamu mwena muli bibaamu ayi mulinde time yayimu.
अब तो कुछ है बोलना कुछ तुम बोलो कुछ हम बोले ओ